Good day once again, Taraki, and again, your daily dose of Coach K. For today's episode is that we're gonna talk yung ano, yung ano, self-confidence and self-esteem. Techniques for boosting self-confidence and cultivating a positive self-image. Okay. Well, ano lang, siguro backstory lang tayo, konti lang. Nung ano kasi, nung siguro younger years ko, wow, parang ganun ako katanda. Joke lang. Nung younger years ko kasi, medyo, when it comes to self-confidence, wala ako masyado nun. Okay? Kasi, balbunin kasi ako. So, lagi akong inaasar nung elementary ako. And because of that, parang nawala yung confidence mo na pretty ka, yung mga ganon. Okay? Pero habang lumalaki, hindi. Lumalaki talaga literal, Charel. Hindi, habang tumatanda, hindi pa rin masama pa rin eh. Habang the years goes by, sabi na natin, I've learned that hindi lang pala ako yung balbon na girl. O, di ba? So, somehow, medyo nagigain ko naman yung self-confidence. And minsan siguro nasusobrahan na kasi yan, umiingay na tayo, ganon, dumadaldal masyado. Okay? Makapal na yung pagmumuka, yung mga ganon. Pero, okay, in reality naman kasi, it is nice to have self-confidence, okay? Or self-esteem din lang. For me, when it comes to self-confidence, paano ba natin ma-achieve or paano ba magkakaroon ng self-confidence? Again, acronyms tayo para mas madali nating maintindihan or matandaan. Okay? So, S-E-L-F. Self. Okay? Sa S is step out of your comfort zone. Okay? Ako, ang comfort zone ko lang talaga, so, kasi naging, ano po tayo, housewife. Wow. So, naging, a little bit naging comfort zone ko siya na in the sense that, yan, nasa bahay ka, you're working there, your chores, your, di ba, laba, plancha, hugas ng pinggan, magluto, maglinis, mag-alaga sa mga bata, lahat na yan. Okay. So, parang siguro how many years naging comfort zone ko siya. And then, realizing na, what if I'll go back to my work, yung pagtuturo. Okay? So, once I decided to step out of my comfort zone, yun, nabuboost ulit yung self-confidence ko at the moment. So, I know that sometimes, ang tawag doon, adjustment stage is really difficult for some, okay? Pati naman sa akin, in reality, no? However, as you can see your progress, no? Na yung transition mo from your comfort zone to a more challenging siguro na aspect of your life, nakikita mo na unti-unti nagiging confident ka sa sarili mo because you're doing something that you love at the moment or something that na-direct ka doon sa past na yon. Okay? So, yun, if you will now step out of your comfort zone, you will realize that there are a lot of things that you can do. There are a lot of skills, of talents, and intelligence na meron ka pala. Pero kasi yan, nagiging hidden lang because nga, andun ka sa my comfort zone. So, hindi mo siya mostly na ilalabas or na-share sa world, sabi nga nila. So, yun, pag lumabas ka na, bigla ka na lang magugulat, ay, kaya ko palang gawin to. Kaya kong gawin yan. Yung mga ganon. So, you feel happy for yourself. Okay? And then, of course, E, okay? elevate your intelligence, your talents, and your skills. Of course, one of the ways we show that we love ourselves is that if we um, improve on our intelligence that we have, the talents that we have, and the skills that we have. Kung kasi ano yan most of our skills, talents, and intelligence are God-given. So, ang pinaka maganda na gawin natin dyan is to really improve on it and to use it just the same. Okay? So, the next one is L. Love yourself. I know, lahat naman kasi ng tao, okay? Meron tayong mga flaws, 'di ba? But the important thing is that if you love yourself rin lang kasi, you will be confident enough, okay, to show to the world kung ano yung pwede mong gawin, kaya mong gawin. Okay? And then of course, F is free yourself from negative criticisms. Well, ang criticisms kasi minsan nagiging negative talaga yung implication niya, no? But meron naman kasing mga constructive criticisms. Magkaiba ang constructive criticism sa negative criticism. Kasi ang negative talaga is wala naman siyang maitutulong sa iyo, okay, na kunyari for improvement for yourself. Pero pag sinabi kasing constructive criticism, there is something that tells you na you can improve more on your talents, your skills, or your intelligence. So, depende siguro on who would give you the criticisms and how they give you the criticism. Uso naman talaga ang feedbacking. Kunyari sa work, sa school, 'di ba sa school meron tayong mga assessment, your grades, your exams, or yung simple lang na evaluation rin ng mga teachers nyo sa inyo. Okay? But of course, sabi ko nga, it would depend on how they would able to tell you. Meron rin yung mga sa work, meron rin naman tayong mga assessment, meron rin naman tayong mga ways on how they would see your work, ang tawag doon, yung work or performance mo in your job. So, yung mga criticisms na sinasabi ko na dapat nyong iwasan, yung talagang bashing na yung dating, na kahit ano yung gawin mong improvement, hindi nila makita yung efforts mo, parang ganun, or hindi nila makita yung pwede mo pang, or your potential na pwede mo pang gawin, ganun. Pag ang tawag doon, kung constructive kasi, syempre meron dyan yung sasabihin nila yung hard truth na sinasabi. Sometimes kasi hindi natin ma-accept yung hard truth, no? But maybe listen between the lines na there's something that they're trying to tell you so that you can improve on it. Ganon. Okay? So, when it comes to self-confidence and self-esteem, it's a long process din lang. And you also need your support system for that. It starts with you also. And at the same time, pag nasabay sa support system, talagang mas madali mo siyang ma-achieve yung self-confidence mo. Ano pa ba? Self-esteem, medyo higher na kasi siya. Kung ma-remember nyo yung hierarchy of needs ni Maslow's, yun na yung highest peak, kumbaga, na knowing already your purpose in life. Purpose in life, hindi ko alam. Ako siguro hindi ko pa masyadong makita yung purpose in life, char. But of course, right now, ang pinaka-purpose siguro that I can see is, of course, being a wife, naks naman, and being a mother, a big dinosaur, big mother, charos, big mama, Okay, so, as of now, yun naman yung nakikita nating purpose in life. And that is already self-esteem naman. Yung knowing your purpose and doing, of course, your responsibilities and duties as such. Okay? So, no worries, self-confidence and self-esteem. You can definitely achieve that through the years. And, yun nga, lagi na lang, love yourself. Okay? So, again, follow and subscribe Taraki TV, and of course my Facebook page, Coach Karen Sebio. Marami po tayong videos doon na nagawa ko noong, I think during pandemic yon. So meron yung mga siguro mga videos doon where you can relate. So tignan nyo na lang yung mga titles. So thank you once again and see you in the next episode. Bye!